Model, 66-plate LDV Maxus V80 body, white, panel van mileage, 146762 MOT, 31 August 2023 engine, 2499 CCSC25R136Q5 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. MAF sensor needs replacing, hence EML light is on, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, ULEZ compliant HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call